Welcome to Skincare Queen, everyone. In this special video, we're going to make our home vitamin C serum. This vitamin C serum is going to help, boost complexion. It's going to help improve circulation, and it's going to, really make your skin glow. This serum is DIY, keep in mind, so we have to keep it in the fridge. If not in the fridge, you can use it within a day. But if you have to use it more than between 7 and 14 days, you should keep it in the fridge. So what do we need? We need a fresh lemon. We need fresh lemon for this, not lemon juice. So we need fresh lemon, and we will be extracting the juice. We need aloe vera juice. We need distilled water that is warm. Okay. We need distilled water that is warm. We need aloe vera gel. We need vegetable glycerin, and 1 tablespoon of papaya fruit extract. I want you to stay with me as I show you this. Do not close this video because it's very essential that you follow every instruction to the course. So remember, I have my aloe vera gel here with me. I have my aloe vera juice here. We're going to be using papaya fruit powder. So I have my papaya fruit powder here. Then we're going to be using vegetable glycerin, which I have here all ready to go. So now let's get started. The first step in this amazing stuff is to squeeze your lemon juice. So I have the lemon juice here. I have a freshly cut lemon juice. I have it squeezed here. I only need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So let's take lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stay with me, don't close this video yet. It's very important that you follow this instruction. When you get to this right this time around, you can continue to make your home and enjoy your whole natural skin, complexion boosting vitamin C serum. So we have the lemon juice here. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of warm distilled water to it. Oh, before you go, let's put our lemon juice aside. Let's take another cup. Then we need 1 teaspoon of papaya powder. So take your papaya powder, 1 teaspoon of papaya powder. We will not be using fresh papaya for this. So papaya powder here, 1 teaspoon here. Then you're going to dissolve it in 1 tablespoon of warm distilled water. As you can see, we're not making that much because it's going to be it's better we make it in small amount. Then you mix this together. Then we're going to add our, it's very essential that you mix this part together. And if you have this kind of mixer at home, it will help with the mixing part. I have this kind of mixer like a whisk. It's going to help the mixing part. It's going to mix it much better. And if you know you can mix it all by yourself, you just take time. Just make sure you mix it and let it be random. Then we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Then we'll continue mixing. Followed by 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. This goodness is going to help your skin glow. It's all natural. It's full of antioxidant. It's a very powerful skin refresher. So we've added 3 ingredients so far. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Two tablespoons of aloe vera gel. If you want it thicker, you can add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Well, I personally think 2 tablespoons is enough. Let's mix that and check it. If you think it's a bit watery, then you can add another tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel here is our thickener. So let's add 1 more tablespoon to make it 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. As you all know, the serum is a little thick. It's not as it's not too watery, right? So the most important job you have to do is the mixing part. You have to make sure you do the mixing part properly. If you have a blender, you can put this in a blender and just blend it lightly to help the mixing part. Then the next and the last ingredient is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is our last ingredient, and we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Look in the description box below for a link to where you will find a full. Okay, 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. In the description box below, you're going to find a link to my website where you will be able to see the text version of this video. That's where the recipe is. Now, you have 2 options. You either put this in a bottle and shake it together, or you mix it very well before putting it in a bottle. So that's the 2 options you have, and this is the goodness we have been talking about. This type of mixer is going to really cause a lot of splash all over the place, but hey, I'm going to use this mixer. It's called milk froster. I have a link in the description box below for where you can get your home. I will be using a froster to mix it together, but it's going to splash all over the place, right? Because this is how this works. So because it's going to splash all over the place, I will cover it up. And a froster will do a better job. Okay. Wow, it's not splashing, right? So it's better you get 1 froster for yourself. I personally have 2 of this. I use this for all my DIY video. As you can see, the froster is doing a good job of mixing this serum together, and by the time I stop this now, we're going to get a very good uniform, and it's going to be an amazing serum. And that's it, and our serum is all ready to go. As you can see, the consistency is perfect for a serum. I will show you the best way to use it in a moment. So I have a stirring rod for those that have been watching my DIY video. I tell you, like, anytime you want to make a DIY, a glass stirring rod of this type is very important. It helps you to keep your DIY product, clean and stable. And keep in mind, this is exactly what you want to get. This color, as you can see, this color is more like as if you make a tea, right? That's exactly what you want. So we're going to throw that in a bottle now, and then I will show you how to apply it. The application part is the fun part. Make sure you put it in a bottle where you will be able to press it from the top. It's always the best way to use a serum. So I will put some here. just to show you how to use it. If you want this type of bottle, Serum Violet bottle is a very good bottle that will look in the description box below our website. There you can get one for your DIY product. So the use it part is very important. So after washing your face, okay, all you need to do is just smoothen this over your face and neck. Smoothing, as you can see, this is a very good serum. It's loaded with vital protein and antioxidant. Just smoothing it over your face and neck, and you can enjoy the goodness. And the skin is brightening. It's really beautiful for the skin because of papaya. Papaya is highly requested and highly sought for antioxidant in the skincare industry. So use this to cream your face and neck. Do not forget the neck part. If you have any question about this special serum, feel free to drop the question in the comment box below. If you love this bottle, I recommend you can, depending on how much you make, you can get 100 ml of this Serum Violet bottle. If you know us at Pure Blend Natural, we actually use this bottle to keep your skincare products safe. So if you want one for your DIY also, you can get other one from our website. Thank you so much for watching. Any question about this vitamin C antioxidant serum, feel free to drop in the comments box below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching.